Hey, I'm just going to the shop, okay?
Alright, babes.
I'm sorry, baby. You want something?
Yeah, I'll have a Gatorade, baby. Yeah.
Gatorade?
Yeah, that's
Right.
cool. But
What flavour did you want?
probably, you know.
Purple?
Yeah,
Okay.
but can you do me a
Right.
favor? Could you not? Babe! Can you please stop slamming my car door?
I'm not saying that. Listen. They've got no Gatorades. You want something else? What do you want?
And water, baby.
Water?
But don't slam my door.
Yeah, of course. I'm not gonna
Please.
I'm not gonna say the door. I'm not gonna say.
Are you okay in the head? Like, seriously, do you have a fucking problem?
Baby.
What's the matter with you?
I'm joking.
This isn't funny, babe. Please.
Subscribe for more.